Hi everyone, welcome to Start DevOps. I am Mahbub. So, in previous video, we have discussed the roadmap. Based on that roadmap, so we are going to learn the first topic SDLC. The SDLC stand for Software Development Lifecycle. SDLC stand for Software Development Lifecycle. So, the Software Development Lifecycle, which is nothing but it is a structured approach or a process to build a quality software. What is it is? Structured approach or a process to build a quality software. Suppose if you want to build anything, if you want to do anything, there are few process. There is a process to do that particular thing or yeah, that particular thing or anything. Like suppose if you want to make a coffee, there is a process like that. Yeah, to build a software, there is a process which is called software development lifecycle. So it has 7 phases. Yeah. Number one, requirement gathering. Number two, planning, then designing, then development, then testing, then deployment, then maintenance. Number one, requirement gathering. Here, the stockholders, product owners, and the product managers will sit and have a communication about the project. So, what it is software, and what's the time it will take, and what's the duration, what is the cost. Everything they will be talk about that. Budget, many more. Everything they will have a discussion and have a communication. After finish the requirement gathering, that will move to the planning phase. Here in planning phase, the stockholder, product manager, and they will have a communication together. So what software they want to use to build that particular software. I mean, what technology, Java, Python, React, front-end technology, backend, what they want to use in that particular software. They will discuss about and how many manpower is required. They need everything, what are the time and everything. They will do a plan and they will discuss. After finishing this planning phase, then this will move to the designing phase. In designing phase, the UI UX designers will come. Here UI UX designer will be take a responsible and they do research about what is project about, who are the target audience, then who are competitors. Based on they do a research and that after that they will yeah, make a documentation and give to UI team. So based on the documentation, UI team will be design the particular software, user interface software, and they will be send it to a development team. So based on that designing, so development team will take the design and they will write a code and document everything, and they build that code and test. Then it will send it to testing team. So testing team will take over that code and they will test the requirement, the particular code and the software is reaching the requirement or not. If they found any issues, if they found any problems or bugs, they will send back to a development team and development team will be fix it and it will again send back to a testing team. After testing, if the requirement is meeting to clients, then it will move to the deployment. Here is the operation team will come and they will deploy a live server. They will deploy on a live server, which is used to end user. End user will be use the software. With they will make continuously updates the software and everything. Their servers also they will continuously update and they will try to keep the servers always alive. After that, they will be moved to the maintenance phase. In maintenance phase, they will get a feedback from the end user and they make it a documentation update and they will again again they will send to the first phase. Like this circle and will happen and it will be it will be happen like loop. Every time they will move to the requirement gathering, then planning, then designing, then development, testing, deployment. Like this will be happen. So it will be a loop or a circle again and again and again until they produce a good quality software. To build a quality software to achieve this, like, yeah, to build this quality software. Yeah, we have few methods to achieve this HDLC. To build a quality software, to achieve this life cycle, we have few models. So in that we will discussing number one is waterfall model, number one waterfall model, and number two is agile model, and number three is spiral model. These are all the models to achieve that particular life software development life cycle to build a quality software. So number one waterfall model. Here every step or a phase will be start, previous phase has to be finished. Suppose the requirement gathering has to finish, then only they can move to the designing phase. Then only if design has been finished, then it will move to the development. After development, the testing, then deployment, then maintenance, like that. So before previous phase has to be finished, then only you can move to the next step. So like this in waterfall model will be happen. There is a drawback in that waterfall model. Once the requirement phase has been finished and it will move to designing phase, suppose client will come to us, he wants to do another feature, add another feature. So there is no go back to previously in this particular model. It's only used for small projects and low cost of projects. And now second one is agile model. To overcome this model, agile will be introduced. Here they will divide the task into small steps or small pieces, and they will work for that particular task and they will send it to feedback to the client. If the client will agree, they will move to the another task like this. It is a iterative process and easily can modify. Suppose client will come, designing is happening, client will come, he need another requirement, he wants another feature. Easily it can be moved to the previous stage and easily can modify. This model will be used for big projects and costly projects, some bigger projects like that, or middle level projects. It will be used for this method. For middle level projects, will be good for this method. Now come to spiral model. Here they will do a small task. In this model, they will do a small task first. If they find any risk in this particular method or a particular task, they will solve that particular issue. Then they will submit to RA, show take a feedback from the owner. So this is the issue we have found, and this is the risk we have taken. We have solved the issue. Then they will move to the another task. And then they will show the product owner, and they will get a feedback. So continuously it will happen. It's used for expensive projects and complex projects, especially in banking system. There is very security is required. There they will find the risks and they will send it to clients. So this is the risks and how we receive this, how we solve this problem like this, especially in banking and many more. It use very costly and expensive projects and complex projects. This spiral model will be work. These there are many. Apart from these three, there are many, but mostly in IT industry, companies follow these only. Yeah. So with the help of this video, what we have learned, what is HDLC, and how many phases are available in HDLC, and what are the models and methods available to reach the HDLC to build a quality software or a product. Yeah. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, join our community. Or if you found any bugs or any drawbacks, even my communication or my explanation, please let me know. And I want to send my video and knowledge everything to my audience, which is good and perfect. So thank you. Have a great day.